Now I will tell you how to find or how to verify the relation between the two zeros and the coefficient of ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the coefficient? Here ax square plus bx plus c is an example of the quadratic polynomial where a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x, and c is not having any variable, so we will call it c is a constant term. So here a is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. I want you to understand and learn also, because when we are going to prove the relation between the zeros of the polynomial and coefficient, you have to remember that what is the significance of a, b and c. Suppose if there is a quadratic polynomial, so it will have two zeros, okay, and these zeros are expressed by the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here the two values are, first we say alpha and second we say beta. So alpha is taken with a positive sign. You may take with negative sign also, but I am taking it with positive sign. Alpha I have taken minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What is b? B is a coefficient of x. And what is a? A is a coefficient of x square. And what is c? C is a constant term in the quadratic polynomial. Another value that I have got as 0 is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Again, b is a coefficient of x, a is a coefficient of x square, and c is a constant term. It is also known as quadratic formula, and it is also known as Sridharacharya formula, in which we get the two zeros of the polynomial, say alpha and beta, as alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us see what is the relation between these coefficients and these two zeros. So there are two conditions with which we go. First is sum of zeros. So let us see which relation we get for the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta. If you remember, the value of alpha is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, plus the value of beta is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Can 2a be taken as LCM? Of course, yes. 2a cancel. Left part is, it is very simple, plus minus, it will become minus, and plus minus minus multiplied b square minus 4ac. These two equal and opposite term will be cancelled out, and it will become minus b and minus b, minus 2b upon 2a, and 2 is cancelled to minus b upon a. This is the relation we have got here as a sum of roots or sum of zeros of the polynomial. So the formula has come, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And again I am asking, what is b? Coefficient of x. And what is a? Coefficient of x square. So this thing you have to remember. In each and every question we will get this one. Sum of the root is minus b by a, sum of the root is minus b by a, sum of the root is minus b by a, or sum of the zeros is minus b by a.